Assalamu alaikum. Hassan bin Sadat, President, Rotary Club of Lahore, the first and the most oldest in the country. Best wishes and greetings from Pakistan, District 3272. I would like to thank Rotary Club of Colombo North for inviting us to share our views. It's almost 4 months since we are in contact with each other, and I would really like to appreciate Muhammad Husni, who took the initiative and started the conversation. Rotary Club of Colombo North participated in our international project, Chain of Peace, and the essay which they sent was very good. And in upcoming week, we are signing Twin Club agreement with each other, as the year's motto is bridging continents and building communities. So we will be having joint projects in future as well. Here, I would like to invite all of the Rotaractors in Sri Lanka to our first district conference, Rotaradon, which will be happening in 23rd and 24th of April. And there will be no registration charges and no accommodation charges. So it will be free for Rotaractors from Sri Lanka. They will only have to pay the ticket. I will forward the details to Muhammad Husni. Lastly, I would like to thank all the Sri Lankans for their great support towards our cricket team. And we wish Sri Lankan team best of luck for the World Cup as well. Thank you very much.